This is a funny one. Sometimes we get used to the idea of mean, like average, of numbers, but we're not really used to it for variables like x and so on. So I'm looking at a list of data, and the data is inconvenient because it's not numbers like 10 and 14 and so on. It's these polynomials, x minus 2 and x plus 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is the same as I would do with any data set. I'm going to sort these in order. And I don't know what x is, but I do know that x minus 6 is going to be the smallest thing, the lowest number. And then, let me cross that out so I can keep track of these things. It looks like x minus 2 is next, and then x minus 1. Okay, and then we have, let's see, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. Okay, and then I have a pair of x plus 6s. Okay, so that's all my data. Now, when I look at the mean, median, and mode, I think the mode is always the easiest one to start with. It's the most common number. So you can see this, whatever x plus 6 is, it appears twice. So that's my mode of this data set. And then in terms of the median, that's whatever's in the middle. And sometimes with a long list, I start to lose count. So I work my way in from the sides. Watch. Like I cross out the first and last, and I cross out the second first and second last, and so on until I find the middle, and there it is. So the middle of this thing is going to be the average of these two entries, because neither one of them is really in the middle itself. We're going to have to do x plus, what's the average of 2 and 3? Well, it's 2.5. So x plus 2.5. Okay, there's my median. And now in terms of the average of these things, what I'm going to do here is just add them all up. And when I add them all up, let's see, minus, I'm going to use a calculator for this. I don't want to make a mistake. Minus 6, minus 2, minus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 6, plus 6. So in the right column, I get 12, and there's 8 x's here, so I have 8x. Now I divide that by 8, because there were 8 numbers in the set. And that's going to give me x plus 12 over 8. If you want to simplify that, great. The average would be x plus 1.5.